right. You're here! Still going looking for the 9 mortal ways?
Of course. I realized something last night, and we could really use their help.
Huh? You're saying the Tong coins that appeared in Kai Feng might have been made by the treasure basin?
It's only a guess, but it's a lead nonetheless. If someone took the
Tell us where the coins are coming from.
You know me too well, Big Zhao. Ying Ying? What brings you here?
We were just discussing how to help Lady Zhou earn some coin. You, on the other hand, were being all secretive. What are you plotting?
We were just... Huh?
They must have smelled something was up and given us the slip.
Who gave you the slip? Tell me, I might be able to help.
We made contact with some wanderers and was hoping to ask where these Tong coins are coming from. But they up and vanished before we could question them.
Looking to trace the Tong coins? No need to ask. I know a way. We stick to the original plan, but with one change. We now accept Tong coins too.
Tong coins?
Chances are, wherever you find the most Tong coins, that's where they're coming from. You want to trace the coins, and we want to earn them. 2 birds with 1 stone, right? Besides,
there are still ways to spend Tong coins.
Hold up! Using Tong coins is illegal, ain't it?
Big Zhao, you really need to get out more.
Copper coins are scarce, but folks still need to spend money. We just have to be careful not to get caught.
But...
Young Wanderer, do you want to solve this case?
Yes.
And you, Lady Zhou, do you wish to earn money?
Yes!
Then it's decided. Big Zhao, if you don't wish to get involved, you can keep chasing that Wanderer. Meanwhile, we'll...
I'm in! I'm in, alright?
Good. Then you'll be selling in Kaifeng.
Huh? I'm selling inside the city?
That's right. There are only so many of us, and the farthest we can reach is Roaring Sands, Evernormal Granary, and Jadewood Court.
The patrols outside the city are sparse, so it's better for us weaker ones to take those routes. Very well. Let's get to sewing.
Let's go. The moon will rise, the moon will set. Big Hero, you finally made it. These are the goods we're selling. Let's go.
Raw basins? Seriously? Who's going to buy that?
This is good.
Watch
Grab
your
one of
words.
these for me.
Ying said they're treasure basins, not straw basins.
If it can't make coins, how is it a treasure basin? You're not trying to rope me in.
It's not a scam. Look, Ying Ying said you'll get it once you read this.
Another brocade bag? A bread. She's pulling the illusion trick again? Saying money will fill the basin when the Song of Mercy is sung?
Sesame the gold-making vessel returns, crisp, and wealth will pour forth. The Song of Mercy rises, and a straw basin turns to gold.
Is this about the government handing out money?
I heard the same. That if you sing the Song of Mercy, they'll give you coins from the gold-making vessel.
The government's giving out money just like that? I don't buy it.
Is this what a straw basin looks like? But why a straw basin?
Do you know why the Ember of East brought the gold-making vessel to Kaifeng?
To offer tribute, of course. Doesn't Jiangnan send tribute to the great song every year? The Lord of Jiangnan heard we're short on coins, so he sent the Ember of East here, distributing the coins minted by Wei Yang's treasure basin.
They planned to make coins for 3 days and nights. But the treasure was stolen in less than half an hour.
Still, the government's searching for it. Once they find it, they'll start handing out money again. So the treasure basin is a blessing for Kaifeng. You saw the real treasure basin at the Heroic Assembly. Would you say this one looks similar?
I do need something for storage. It's just...
Buy one! Affordable and practical. We even accept Tong coins.
You're also accepting Tong coins? Then I'll take one.
I'll take one.
Same here!
How many straw basins do you have left? I'll buy them all!
Really?
Can't pass this up if the government's handing out money! Thank you both. May prosperity be with you.
It's getting late. I still have business to attend to. You see that these coins get to Ying Ying.
Where'd you learn to talk like a grown-up? All right, leave it to me.
I mean... All Tong coins must be confiscated.
Lord Shi, long time no see.
Shouldn't you two be working on the case? What are you doing here?
We are investigating the case, my lord. After the treasure basin was stolen, Tong coins started appearing in the Forsaken Quarter. They all say those Tong coins came from the treasure basin.
Oh, huh. It seems that you two have made some progress.
Shucks. All thanks to you.
That's enough sucking up. Keep investigating and get out of here. Search! Nothing, my lord. Nothing? Clever little sneaks. Don't let the rabble fool you. Search thoroughly!
They're not rabble.
Search over there. Looks like there really is a treasure basin here. Coins growing right under the rock. So shady. Are these yours? No. Then I'll be taking them now.
My lord, please!
So, these are yours?
My lord, if you take all the Tong coins, how are we supposed to get by?
Oh? Without Tong coins, you can always use copper coins.
You... Everyone knows Kaifeng is short on copper coins. Don't you?
Copper coins are scarce, but some people always seem to have plenty. Don't you see? In this world, whether Tong coins are taken or not, some will get by, and others won't. It all comes down to what you choose. Since it's not her money, let's go.
My lord! My lord! My child is still sick! Please!
So, you admit these are yours?
No. They're not ours.
Good. Let's move out.
You thug! Give me back those coins! Give them back! How does a body keep living in this world? I've tried everything! What else is there to do?
Lady Joe, please calm down. Let's head back for now. We'll figure something out.
Figure something out? After all you've tried, what's made a difference? I can't get enough copper coins, and I can't hold on to tong coins? You think I'm poor, so you'd rather please those outsiders? I'll do it my way.
That's not fair! Ying Ying, she didn't mean it. Don't take it to heart.
I know. Lady Joe was always such a gentle spirit. When I first met her, she never raised her voice once. Over the years in Kaifeng, one emperor after another came and went. Life is hard for common folk. In this place, life is traded for life. Lady Joe survived. But her husband... That day I held her hand, I never knew one could cry so much. But she still had her child to care for.
That's why we should end the wars. When the wars end, life will get better.
Perhaps. But I worry they can't wait that long.
Then let's end the war sooner.
You are a funny one, Big Zhao. Whether our wise rulers are right or wrong about this or that, I don't know. All I know is, whether it's Jiangnan or the Great Song, the common people's lives don't matter to them.
They started the war precisely because their lives matter. But you can't have it both ways in this world.
What do you think, young wanderer? Should the coins be confiscated or not?
Confiscating the coins or not, it's not my place to say. But I do know one thing. Someone must die.
Kind hero. You?
Yes! No matter what happens to the coins, someone must die.
Big Zhao?
Shh!
Is Big Zhao going to...
No need to worry. There's more to Big Zhao than meets the eye.
Be quick! Hand them over!
It's getting out of hand. I should go check on Mother.
Catch him! Catch him!
So many lives depend on this new batch of Tong coins. Now that they're confiscated, no telling how many will end up in the ash pit.
Ash pit?
They say the ash pit at the Forsaken Quarter is crawling with bandits and thugs from Unbound Cavern.
Oh, it's over. It's all over. The massacre started. Ying Ying! Where's my Ying Ying? Have you seen my Ying Ying? She's about your height. A tall like you, with long, slender eyes. Please.
Mother, don't worry. I'm right here.
Don't take me for a fool. You're not Ying Ying. Ying Ying, where are you?
Mother, you're confused again. Let me help you back to bed.
Is Granny Turtle all right?
She's asleep now. Spending so much time in Kaifeng wears down even the bravest nerves.
Last time the Chiton invaded the city, did something happen to you?
I got injured while checking things out.
Where did you get hurt? That wound must have been bad if it still frightens your mother like this.
Mother gets confused sometimes and fusses over things.
Even so, she wouldn't go and imagine a different daughter, would she? That massacre was 11 years ago. Were you already this tall back then? The girl with long, thin eyes was the real Yin Yang, right?
Oh, kind hero. You're too clever for your own good. So, interested in hearing my story? I used to be a young lady from a prosperous family. Rich beyond compare. But the grand feast behind those doors... they'll eat you alive.
Feasts eat you alive?
When feasts get that lavish, they end up consuming you. At first, they eat away your mind, your heart. Then, they devour everything that makes you human, leaving only the beast inside. I was half-eaten. Neither fully human nor beast. So I was just thrown out on the street and left to die.
You...
Thankfully, Mother found me and gave me a second life. This time, I'm taking back what's mine. Give me 50 yen, and I'll share my revenge plan.
You almost had me.
Don't believe me? Give me the money, and when I restore the family, I'll give you a high position.
You...
Mother? Oh no.
Catch the thief! Catch them! Give me back my money!
Uh-oh. We have to find Mother quickly. Let's split up.
Excuse me, have you seen...
What is it? Lost your money too?
No, I'm looking for someone. Have you seen an old lady dressed like a turtle?
No, no. Damn thief.
Excuse me, have you seen a...
Have you seen my girl? The girl with a red dot on her forehead?
No.
Someone must have taken her. I was just hanging up the washing. Oh, crazy as it's been, and it's all my fault. All my fault.
I don't want to go to the ash pit! Help me!
What are you doing?
Hey! This here's my family's business! Stay out of it!
Have you seen my coin bag? Have you seen my coin bag? Oh, I lost.
Hidden Tong coins! Step over here! Step over here!
Officer! Officer! No Tong coins! Not any Tong coins!
Don't try.
Get over here!
Stop! this.
Oh, shame, thief! 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 Thief must be arrested!
Yeah, I took it. What of it? I took it. And then I stole money so my child could live. You don't steal. Your family.
A Tianfu Yen Bao. Quite old, isn't it?
Tianfu. Aren't we in the Tianfu era?
No, that was long ago. Now, it's the Great Song.
Great song. Not Tianfu. Not Tianfu. Tianfu, my son went off to war. And they sent this back after he died. My son is gone. My son! My son!
Don't just stand there. Take at that straw bait and holds any tongue coins. Stop!
Moonlit flash, spring breeze.
All right. Mother!
Here, take the money I set aside for you. Run, my child. Run!
Mother?
So it's you again. The prime suspect. And here you are attacking soldiers. Do you know what a serious offense that is?
That doesn't scare me.
A brave young hero, eh? A pity. We're this close to solving the case and you decide to throw your life away.
The case is about to be solved?
Yes. Thanks to you, we've made great progress.
Me?
I suppose I left that out. But Bate doesn't need to know that anyway. End it. No need to keep him alive.
Stop! We'll give you the money!
Yingy!
Kind hero. I'm willing to give it up. You still have people to find in the Jianghu. This isn't the place for you.
You may be willing, but I'm not. If those armed with swords stand down, what chance do the unarmed have? Besides...
What a moving little speech. You... Have we met before?
Hey! You recognize me?
Little Fu!
Looking for the gold-making vessel? Then come and take it!
My lord, she flew toward the ash pit. Shall we give chase?
A rat in the gutter. Surround the place. If she makes it out, she won't slip past us.
Little Fu, the gold-making vessel. Looks like I'll have to go down there myself. These are Little Fu's footprints. Looks like she went that way.
Oh, another one with a death wish. The bells. They're ringing again.
There's a path down here. Where does it lead? There are footprints here too. I have to catch up. Bell's ringing. Such an eerie place. Could it be?
Come out! I heard you from a mile away.
Well met.
A young boy. Why leave the good life in the mortal world for this realm in between?
My friend went down here, and I'm here to find her. Have you seen a little girl wearing a mouse hat?
Coming down here for a little girl. Do you even know what place this is?
No matter the place, I had to come.
A reckless fool. Go on. To the left. She's down there.
Thank you, good sir.
Oh, no.
Hey, what happened to the tough hero just now? Bite off more than you can chew?
Oh, please don't! Don't hit me! It's all just a misunderstanding!
Boss, don't actually kill him. Lord Hongsa, 9 mortal ways. If we pull this off, we'll earn our keep.
Unbound cavern? 9 mortal ways. Could this place be Unbound Cavern?
Good lad. You thought this through. Bring him back. Got it.
Count on me.
Moonlit frost, spring breeze.
Those Unbound Cavern thugs really did a number on me. Oh, if I'd known, I wouldn't have gotten involved.
I'm Wang Feng, disciple of the 9 mortal ways. Thanks for saving me. But you don't look like you're from here.
I've seen it. I got beaten up because of it.
Little girl? The one with the mouse hat?
Exactly! That's her! Do you know her?
It's little Fu. Where's she headed?
She's headed to the Ghost Revelry Hall, a wicked place. If you want to find her, you best hurry. It's a hangout for thugs and bandits, and the base of the Unbound Cavern. I sneaked in there a few times, put on a tough front, and no one asked questions. Take this. Open the door, follow the red lanterns, and you'll find the Ghost Revelry Hall.
Why do you have the key to Unbound Cavern?
Ha! That beating wasn't for nothing. I managed to swipe their key. With a hero like you around, I'll keep out of it.
An unfamiliar face! Even if you make it in alive, you might not make it out.
Little girl. Good thing we caught her.
Teach her a lesson.
Little girl? Could it be little Fu?
Not bad, lad. Go ahead. No one's going to stop you now.
That's it? That's the only rule?
You really are new. There's just one rule. Fight. You win the fight, you make the rules.
I can still...
Yes. Are you alright?
I can still be useful. Don't send me to the dark room.
Dark room?
Disobedient ones get sent to the dark room.
Exciting! How exciting! 1, 2, 3. These 3 are good. I'll take them.
Autumn cave. Rest in bed.
Since you're here, why leave so soon? What a beautiful face. If I'd known you'd come, I'd have the room cleaned up. What are you looking for, honored guest? Humans? Ghosts? Animals? What kind of head do you seek?
This is the dark room?
I won't run away again! Never again! Please don't sell me off! I don't want to go there! I don't want to go to the human market! Please!
Human market?
Ghost Battery Hall retreats.
The human market is just on the other side? But this path is blocked. I'll have to find another way.
That one dead?
Shall we let Lord Xiao take a look?
Come on, cry louder! Put some feeling into it! Huh? You all sound the same to me.
Looks like this one's the leader. If Little Fu's really here, he must know where she is.
Anyone else thinking of running? That monster's been starving.
Anyone bold enough to come here is just asking for trouble. With a frame like you'll definitely catch a good prize.
Joy never dies.
There's someone alive here! Boss, he's here! The thief is here! Go on, get him! You losers! Don't take him out! I'll chuck you up and take you to Lord Xiao for a snack. Great hero! That hurts!
You're the boss here? Have you seen Little Fu?
Little Fu? That name's not on the list!
Huh?
Stop! Don't hit me! I remember! That Little Fu, yes! She wears a mouse hat, right?
That's her. Where is she now?
We couldn't catch that rat. I mean, Little Fu. She ran off. Deep inside. Keep going forward, and you'll find her.
Monster. There's a monster in there.
What on earth happened here? Little fool?
We'll come clean.
Huh? Little Fu? There's 3 of you. What's really going on here?
Fine, we'll tell you everything.